demo here. And this is going to show how compliance and governance of that data enables this use case to be successful. Just a few minutes here, we'll go ahead and show this video.
Today, we'll quickly demonstrate how an AI agent built in Copilot Studio can support account managers regarding institutional redemptions. Redemption forms may arrive through shared mailboxes, even though the content is custodial. This short demo illustrates how AI can help us ingest those incoming files and provide AI-enabled search while enforcing security to restrict access to information based on account ownership. For example, in this case, Tom manages Everpine Capital and Northgate Family Office. Jim manages Granite Ridge Partners and Silverstream Investment Trust. With proper setup, your AI agent and the backing AI processes ensure that Tom cannot see Jim's accounts and vice versa, satisfying compliance requirements around custodial data access. Here you can see the AI-generated sample redemption forms used for this demo. These forms contain sensitive custodial data that must be handled according to strict compliance rules. Let's take a look at some of the sample data. Here's redemption request 1. As you can see, for investor Everpine Capital, it has additional information, redemption details, bank details for the proceeds, and the signatory. What happens is that the Microsoft AI platform can scan and classify these incoming documents based on the investor name and who is responsible for those investors, enabling proper security to be applied to those documents when querying against the contained custodial information. I've now opened the redemption request agent as Tom. Recall that for this demo, Tom is the relationship manager for Everpine and Northgate. Let's ask about redemptions. See that the agent responds with information about 2 upcoming redemptions for Everpine and 1 for Northgate. Citations indicate the documents the information was retrieved from in each case. Now Tom follows up with, show me the Everpine redemptions in a tabular format, including the fund name, amount, date, and bank information. We can see that the agent has responded with a table containing the requested data points for the Everpine redemptions. Keep in mind this data is being pulled directly from the document content. You can imagine how this could be automated so that when a new redemption request document arrives, these data points could be extracted and used to populate other internal systems automatically. Again, you'll notice that there are citations at the bottom of the table indicating the documents the information is coming from. Now finally, let's verify that Tom cannot access data that Jim is responsible for. In this case, I know that Jim is responsible for Granite Ridge and Tom is not. You'll see that the reply is there are no redemption requests for Granite Ridge mentioned in the provided documents. So now let's go back in as Jim and try a similar conversation with our redemption agent. In this demo, remember, Jim is the relationship manager for Granite Ridge and Silverstream. Here you see again that the agent responds with information on upcoming redemptions for Granite Ridge and Silverstream. Again, citations indicate the documents the information was retrieved from in each case. Now Jim will follow up again with, show me the Granite Ridge redemptions in tabular form, including the fields that he's interested in seeing. Again, we see in this case, the agent responds with a table containing the requested data points for the Granite Ridge redemptions. Again, we have citations referring back to the originating documents. Now let's go ahead and validate that Jim cannot see the redemptions for Tom's relationships. In this case, we'll go ahead and query for Everpine. As you can see, unauthorized queries return neutral, non-revealing responses saying there are no redemption requests for Everpine in the provided documents. This short demo illustrates secure document Q&A using AI-powered interactions while maintaining security